Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Look, I'll be honest with you. I think this whole Nancy Pelosi going to Taiwan thing is going to end up being a bit of a nothing burger. I mean, it's pretty common for members of Congress and the Senate, etc., to kind of tour around the world without making a big diplomatic statement, if you know what I mean. Let's be honest, it's not like it's Dennis Rodman going to Taiwan, right? Like he did with North Korea. I mean, that was a real political statement. Regardless, if the bombs start dropping, my first question is going to be, are they going to cut the rates? And my second question will be, what stock should I buy? One that caught my eye today is Raytheon. This is ticker RTX. As you can see, the recent price action is consolidating right now around a cluster of moving averages. Now, ideally, I'd like these moving averages to be just a touch tighter, a touch closer together, because price is just kind of chopping around these moving averages. But I definitely think that this is a stock that you want to keep on a watch list just in case. If I bring out my trend line here, I can draw a pretty nice downward sloping trend line from the high back here in April. And if I do this, we have, a little bit of a triangle pattern. You can see how the buyers are kind of coming in near the lows, but the sellers are coming in near the highs. So we have a tightening pattern here on RTX. So what I want to see from RTX is a move above 95.10, coming on higher than average volume. I want it to get above, stay above, and do it on volume. So I'm going to set an alert right on this downward sloping trend line for about a month, just in case, just as a precaution. And so I don't lose track of this stock. So I think it's worth adding to your watch list. And if you want to see what else we're doing over at StockMarketMentor.com, I recommend taking a trial, 30-day trial. Chances are, after that 30 days, you'll learn a bunch of stuff and be a better trader. So I think that is a good trade. Check it out, StockMarketMentor.com. I hope to see you on the other side. In the meantime, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. We'll see you next time.